That's right. Not a big fan of silver, are you?
Hi, can I help you?
No. That's what I do.
Meet Dylan Dog, ace detective of the undead, and his assistant Marcus, fighting to keep order between the worlds of vampires, werewolves, humans, and zombies.
Dylan? You okay?
Look around you. The monsters that you read about as a kid, they're real. They're here in the city, living among us. Whatever you do, don't scream.
What the hell is going on here?
This is a body shop. Zombies come from all over to get replacement parts.
Oh my God, what's wrong with my arm?
Relax. It's a loner. You are a zombie. You are dead.
Maybe I'm just really sick. But you didn't have to shoot me.
We have been waiting hundreds of years
to claim our rightful place at the top of the food chain. How do we do this? The heart of Belial.
Belial, the most powerful of the dead. All the Creator needs is the heart and the host. Belial lives again.
Now,
Do you want the good news or the bad news first?
civilization faces extinction.
The human race is obsolete, yo.
I'll kill you where you stand.
And it's down to one dog
Whoever controls it
controls the world to save mankind.
This case just keeps getting better. Doc.
Ooh. Sassy.
Sorry. So what's the plan?
No plan. Just bigger guns.